The main challenge we have today in Plantorama in regards to Omnichannel is that we know way too little about our customers crossing channels. We do not know when a customer going to plantorama.dk is a pre-visit to go to a physical store or the other way around. We know from market that an omnichannel customer might be worth double up on frequency and spend, but in Plantorama this is only an hypothesis and we need to bring some light on it. Today we have a few key performance indicators in regards to understand an offline-online customer. We have Google store visit rate we can look into, and we do also have QR codes around in our physical stores where customers can read more about products online. And also we have some customer feedback researches where we know a little about our customers. But we do not have ongoing data which a loyalty scheme would give us. And that data would give us some insights into where to put focus, where to develop, and where to work smarter with our customers, and also what the customer expects when they go both offline and online. Another one of our biggest challenges in regards to Omnichannel is that from day one, Plantorama has been looking into how to make an experience for customers when going and visiting one of our stores. All our stores is filled with small surprises that as a total makes an experience for the customer. Plantorama.dk is still quite new for us, so we have a lot in pipeline for how to make the same experience that we do so successfully offline. We need to bring that online as well. I personally believe that more than 30% of the traffic we see online can be linked to a physical store visit either before or after. It's a super good question because I don't really have the answer for it. We need to look into what can we do online that would surprise our customers. We also need to ask the customers, what do you actually expect? So we need to know more about our customers' expectations, and we need to basically innovate and come up with just as many ideas that we have done for regular retail in so many years. We need to do the same for online. To keep visitors engaged, I think we need to understand our customers. And we have some customers knowing a lot about how to succeed with their plans, but we also have a lot of customers knowing very little about how to succeed. So therefore, our webshop needs to help the customer. We need to do a lot more than just explaining product details. We need to be able to inspire, showing more options, showing more colors, showing related products that will help the customer succeed when they get home. For years we have been looking into how we could take the gardening expertise we have in our stores and make it digital. How we could make a lot of articles, a lot of guides, because customers in the market miss all of this knowledge and they are searching for it, looking for it, and there basically weren't a lot of information. So we just fill it in and we had a lot of organic traffic to the store. For shoppers who's browsing and do not have the attention of buying, we try to nudge in different ways. We know, for example, that more than 60% of our customers is crossing our guide universe within the session. The guide universe is much for advising and explaining you how to succeed with your plans. Recently, we have improved how we present products within the guide universe, both higher and more relevant products that is linked either to the guide or is just popular products. And there we can see that we, in a better way, is inspiring the customer to actually end up with a purchase than before. It's the main focus of us to combine our guide universe with our product menu because it makes sense to the customer's journey. They are looking for advice, but they are also looking for products that is related to the guide or that is making sure that you will get success with your products at home. So combining these two, we are combining a knowledge that we have in Plantorama, and it's important for us to give the customer that knowledge, both online and offline. Adding products into our guide universe and working constantly with the performance of the products, we have seen quite good results because customers is actually further down in the funnel that we expected them to be. They are open to be exposed for products, and they are also in the end more willing to actually do a purchase on the site. Yes, Omnichannel for Plantorama is of course to make a seamless experience for the customer. They should shop where, whenever, how they would like to. And we have just started that journey.